Hello everyone, this is Donna. Today we're going to be talking about Hostgator and installing WordPress onto our platform so that we can create a website. Now this is after, of course, you purchase your domain name. You also purchased your account with Hostgator, so you have a cPanel with Hostgator like what you're looking at right now. Now we're going to install WordPress, which is our platform for using our website. So in my control panel that I'm using here at Hostgator, I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to be a little bit closer to the bottom, and right here where it says Software and Services, I am going to click on Fantastico Deluxe. And before I click on that, I just want to check on something. Okay. So I'm going to click on Fantastico Deluxe. And it's going to bring me to a page like this. Now here, I want to install WordPress. Now it's right here, as you can see. So this is going to be my program, my blogging program that I'm going to use for my website. So WordPress is really easy to use, and we're going to go over all that. But right now, we're going to install WordPress. So I'm going to click on WordPress, and it's going to bring me to here. And I'm going to say that I want a new installation. So we're going to install new. So we're going to click on New Installation. Now, because I have a couple domains, that's why this came up. But where I'm installing this is this is my website and my subdomain that I'm installing it on so that I can build this website for you guys to watch. So anyways, so I'm installing it on the domain name that I purchased. Install in directory, right now I'm leaving that blank. And the administrator username and password, so I would have to type in, I'm just going to type Donna. Oops. And then just type my password. Let's type and I don't have no nickname, and I want to email me email me. So I put in an email address of where I want all this information to be emailed me to, so I know how to get back into my my blog and everything. So I put my email address there, and I put my site name. I'm just gonna, and I put the site name, which is going to be oops. I'm just going to call it example, and then I'm just going to click Install WordPress. And as you can see, in just a couple seconds, it's coming up and it's telling me that it's being installed, and I want to finish the installation, so I'm clicking on that. And right now it's just creating the account and installing all the files that it needs to install. And here it's telling me where it's located, which yours is going to look different than mine. And here it says email the details of the installation to, so I put in my email address again, and I say send the email. What I'm going to do here is I am going to open a new tab, and I'm going to type in my email address, my domain name of the one that I purchased. Now mine is going to be, of course, different than yours. And as you can see, here is the beginnings of my platform that I'm going to be able to work with. So once we're here at this platform, Then I'm going to scroll on down a little bit, and I'm going to click Log In. And it's bringing me to my WordPress login, where this is where I'm going to type in the username and password that I wrote. So I'm going to type that in. And I personally like to say remember me, because this way it's just easier to keep track of everything. And I'm going to say login. Now this, if I click up here at the very top left-hand corner, you see how it becomes underlined? If I click on that, I'm going to click on it just to show you. That brings me back to my site of what it looks like right now. I'm going to use my back button and go back. This is called your dashboard for WordPress. This is where we will add all the your pictures, your images, your posts, or your little articles about your site, about who you are, what are you doing, all that kind of stuff is going to be done right here at this site, this platform right here. So it's called your dashboard. So I want you to get familiar with looking at this. Now, when we first started up, as you can see, it's already got updates. So I'm going to click on updates right now. And I'm just going to say automatically update, because of the fact I have nothing in there. We haven't done anything, so let it do all its updating that it needs to do to keep WordPress up and running. And then I'm going to, and you see it's telling me it unpacked it, it installed it, it upgraded it and everything. And now I'm going back to my dashboard. And it's still saying I have one more update, so I'll click back on updates again. And it's going to be a plugin. And so I'll select all and say update plugin. And plugins are just all the extra things that you can do. Then I'm going to return to, it's already showing me that it's updated and everything. And it's going to be, I'm going to return to the updates. And then I'm going back to my dashboard. Plugins are just all the little tools that you can use to make your site do the things that you want it to do. And we're going to go over that. I'm going to go over a list of plugins that we're going to use. These are just basic ones. There are tons out there, and I'm sure, if you're into doing all this kind of stuff and you want to learn more, just go online and start typing in things in Google, and you will be surprised at how much you can learn just by reading and doing that kind of stuff. But what I'm going to do is just do the basic installation. So right now, I'm just going to show you again. This is our website that we have. Yours will look exactly like mine. It'll just be titled differently, because I titled mine as just the example of what I'm going to use to teach on my teaching platform. And other than that, we're going to go from there. So